Welcome back. So you should have your ligature or glyph, and all you're going to do just right now is you're going to Control C or Command C and Command V and put that under your layer. Oops, I put in the wrong layer. There we go. And you're going to have one be black and one be white. That's all you're doing. It's very simple. You would select this color white for the interior. So I undid that because it just made my stroke white, but you want there to be no stroke on it, but you do want the interior of it to be white. You could also do that through the swatches. You'll see the fill versus the stroke. The fill is going to be white. And then the last one, you're going to want to uncheck the keep this, or sorry, unlock keep this. And that's all of these bars. Command C. Let's go out to a blank one that says advanced transformation of implied line and shape. And you're on your layer. You can lock keep this again. Paste it, or Command V. Put in the corner, hold Shift, and when you click and drag, you can make it fill the whole space. I'm using spacebar to click over, and I'm copying my glyph and pasting again so that on top of it, it kind of looks like a weird frog or a strange hairdo. I'm not sure what. But what you're going to do with this on this nice big screen, since it's bigger than that thumbnail, you can zoom in a little bit more with the command and plus sign. You're going to select all of it. So I clicked and dragged to rubber band both these items, and I'm going to click on my Pathfinder, divide. And this is the point where now you click the direct selection tool, and you can decide to make certain things black or white. And the fastest way to actually do it is you can hold down Shift and select multiple parts. Notice I kind of hit a line and not the center. You'll see what that did in a sec. And now I want you to click the eyedropper tool and select the black bar. It should make it black. Because I clicked on a line, that made this whole section black. I think it looks kind of cool, so I'm going to keep it. But you can do this kind of thing further of just picking and choosing within your shape. Don't forget, sometimes there's disconnects between what one part should be black as if it is a continuous line. And you can go and fill in with your direct selection tool all of these different lines that you might want. So I'm just going to willy-nilly choose all these lines and make them all black. And now I'm going to direct selection tool and choose all of the areas around that shape and just selecting a random area and hitting delete. So all I'm doing is just picking an area outside of the shape. If I hit delete twice, it gets rid of all of it. I kind of just want to see what happens if I keep these lines. But this is a new form that's coming into being. Just continue this line here, but maybe I'll still delete all of these with selecting the bottom, hitting delete. And now I've got this interesting shape. I'm going to clean this up a little more, get rid of this thing on the side. I hit delete twice. Maybe I don't like the top of this. So I will select just these and not that. Triangle, hit delete. I'm going to hit delete again. And this is now one of your finished advanced transformation of implied line / shape forms. Keep that there, just Command C, copy and paste it, shrink it down. That is how you've finished one of your iterations. All of these are just different decisions that you're making to make a different texture, to make a different form. It all depends on what you think will look the most interesting.